This is the solution to number 10 from the chapter P Reiew. And we're asked to simplify the cube root of a rational expression, namely x to the fourth over 4y cubed. When we're simplifying a cube root, we're looking for perfect cube factors. So something multiplied by itself 3 times. And when we have that, we can extract that from underneath the cube root. So I'm going to rewrite this as the cube root of x to the fourth, the numerator, over the cube root of 4y cubed. And this will help us simplify. So we're going to focus on the numerator first. We have the cube root of x to the fourth, which means we have x cubed, the cube root of x cubed. So an x can come out from the cube root, and we'll still have the cube root of x. One x is still left inside the cube root. And in the denominator, I have the cube root of 4y cubed, which means I can pull out a y. And remember, with the cube root, we don't need to worry about absolute value because it's an odd index. And then we'd still have the cube root of 4, but I'm going to rewrite 4 as 2 squared. The reason I'm going to do that is going to help me to rationalize the denominator. So at this point, we've extracted all the perfect cube factors from underneath the cube roots, but we still have a radical in the denominator. So we need to rationalize the denominator. In order to do that, we need to get 3 of each factor that's still under the cube root. So we have 2 squared, which means we need 1 more cube under the cube root. So I'm going to multiply by a funny form of 1, which is the cube root of 2 over the cube root of 2. And when we do that, our numerator is going to become x times the cube root of 2x, and the denominator is going to become y times the cube root of 2 cubed, which is the reason we chose the particular funny form of 1 that we did. And now we can simplify the denominator. The cube root of 2 cubed is simply 2. So this becomes x times the cube root of 2x over 2y.